And we are live. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And this is once again your Coach Toto. I will be doing for the first time the NAPOLCOM online review. And this is your math basic concepts. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat po ng enrollees ng Gurong Pinoy for the NAPOLCOM entrance examination, isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At ang mga students natin from lahat ng groups of Gurong Pinoy from Team Brunner, Team Skinner, Team Piaget. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At lalong-lalo na magandang gabi rin po sa mga members ng Team Dewey na nakaantabay po sa atin sa ngayong gabi. So once again, this is our Coach Toto and I'm broadcasting live for the first time from my hometown in the beautiful islands of Gigantes in the province of Iloilo. So once again, this online review session is brought to you by Gurong Pinoy, your number one online review authority for the licensure examination for professional teachers, pati na rin sa civil service examination at pati na rin sa National Police Commission entrance examination. Alam kong mathematics is not everyone's favorite subject, but as promised, always by Gurong Pinoy, we will be here starting on the first day of your review hanggang sa last day before you take the examination to guide you at kahit na karamihan sa atin ay takot sa mathematics, your Coach Toto will be always here to guide you in making you and also will make your mathematics problems or dilemma as easy as it can be. So, magsimula na po tayo and just like the usual, we will be starting this online review session via a prayer and I invite everyone to please join me in prayer and join me in silence. Okay. Dear Lord, I come to ask for your guidance and direction in this study session. I ask that the Holy Spirit fill me with strength, creativity, and understanding to get through my studies without difficulty or sin. Help me hold my focus and attention. Help me to retain all that I learned. Please make my mind sharp and keep distractions at bay. If any part of my studying is weak or lacking in some way, let it be revealed so that I may correct it. Thank you for this opportunity to learn. Amen. Ayan. So, before anything, magpapakilala po muna ako sa inyo sa mga enrollees po ng NAPOLCOM online entrance examination. I am your Coach Toto and I am the top one in the 2023 Special Professional Licensure Examination for Professional Teachers Secondary and I am a mathematics major. I was a former Region 6 or Western Visayas State Colleges and Universities Association Quiz champion in mathematics and general information. I took BS Electrical Engineering from Cavite State University and took my professional teaching certificate from the University of the Philippines Open University. At present, I am completing my Master of Arts in Education from the National Teachers College and mathematics major. I was a risk management officer in Saudi Aramco for 7 years. Also, was a risk management specialist at King Saud Medical City. So I was an OFW for 15 years. And right now I am residing in my hometown in the municipality of Carles in the province of Iloilo. And yes, I am also a NAPOLCOM passer. With a high rating of 88.8%. So, ayan. So, siguro sisimulan natin by shouting out. Kung sino po ang gusto mo pa-shoutout, pakisula po ng inyong mga names and then the location kung saan po kayo nanonood sa inyong gabi. Magandang gabi po, Ma'am Annalisa Tolero. And thank you for tagging your friends. You can also like, love, and share our videos para po mas marami-rami ang matulungan ng Gurong Pinoy sa NAPOLCOM entrance examination. And so, wala na po bang mapapa-shoutout? So, let's start with our online review session by answering question number 1. Question number 1. What is the prime factor of 420? 1, the following: 2 squared times 3 squared times 5 times 7, 3, 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 11, 4, 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. Please key in your answer in the comment box by keying in the number of the question and the number of your choice. Ayan, so inaantay ko po ang inyong mga sagot. Ayan. Again, what is the prime factor of 420? Number 1, none of the following. 2, 2 squared times 3 squared times 5 times 7. 3, 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 11. And 4, 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. What's your answer? Ayan, so wala pa pong sumasagot. Ayan, sa ating mga viewers ngayong gabi, you are free to answer and to key in your answer sa ating mga comment box. And again, this is your online review. This is your safe space at wala pong magmamak or make fun sa inyo because okay lang po kahit mali ang inyong sagot. Ang importante ay natututo tayo sa ating online session sa ngayong gabi. Ayan, so ang sabi ni Sir Jeffrey Lalo, good evening, it's number 2. Ayan, inaantay ko po ang sagot ng iba pa. You can participate po. You can participate. Okay lang po na mali ang sagot. Ang importante po ay mag-engage po kayo sa akin, mag-interact because we know na the more you interact or the more you are active in your studying, the more meaningful your learning will become. Ayan. Problem ay natatandaan po natin ang sagot, natatandaan po natin ang process. Ang sabi ni Ma'am Maricar Montes Dingrat, it's number 4. Ayan, good evening Ma'am Karen Farnasa, Ma'am Maricar Dingrat, and Sir Jeffrey Lalo. Ayan. So, before revealing the answer, we should understand that prime factorization is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. Now, we also have to understand the meaning of prime, the meaning of the word prime. Kasi meron tayong dalawang uri na number. Meron tayong prime numbers, meron din tayong composite numbers. Ayan, composite numbers. Punta muna tayo sa prime numbers. Ang prime numbers, these are numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself only. Dalawa lang ang factors ng prime numbers. That is 1 and itself. Katulad po ng number 3. The number 3 is only divisible by 1 and 3. We also have the number 2, which is also divisible by 1 and 2. We have 5, we have 7, 11, 13, and so on. Ayan. Ang mga numbers na to, ang nakikita ninyo sa inyong screen, ay divisible lamang ng dalawang factors, that is the number 1 and the number itself. Kaya tinatawag siyang prime factor. Ang composite numbers naman, these are numbers that can be divided by more than 2 factors. Say for example, the number 4. The number 4 is divisible by 1, 2, and itself. Kaya more than 2 ang kanyang factors. Same as 6, which is divisible by 2, 3, 1, and 6. Okay, so now we understand the difference between the prime factors and the composite prime numbers and composite numbers. Balik po tayo sa ating prime factorization. Now, ang prime factorization, sabi ko nga kanina, is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. Okay, and in doing so, pwede po tayo mag-construct ng factor 3. Ang factor 3 is just factoring the number and showing the factors of the number. Meron po tayong example dito, the factor 3 of 42. Now, you have here 42 and 42 can be divided by 2. Magsimula po tayo sa pinakamababa. Magsimula sa 2, 3, 5 because those are prime factors. Kung ang number is divisible by 2, we start with 2. So 42 is divisible by 2 and 21. And then we go to the next composite number. We factorize this one. That is 3 and 7. Titigil lamang po tayo kapag puro prime na ang factors na nasa ibaba. And then you just take this numbers, the prime numbers below, and this is these are already your prime factors. So the prime factors of 42 is 2 by 3 times 7. Now, punta po tayo sa 420. Gawa po tayo ng factor 3 ng 420. And again, sinabi ko kanina na kung pwede siyang i-divide sa 2, magsimula tayo sa 2. So we divide 420 by 2 and this is 210. Now, ang 210 is also divisible by 2 and this is 105. Now, ang 105 is not divisible by 2. Hindi rin siya divisible ng 3, but this is divisible by 5. So this is 5 and 21. And 21 is divisible by 3 and 7. Oops. Oops. Dali lang. Sorry for that. 3 and 7. So now, ang nasa baba are already prime factors. So when we can take this, we can take the prime factorization of 420 as 2 by 2 by 5 by 3 by 7. Or this can be expressed as 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. And if you're going to look at the choices, this is equivalent to the choice number 4, which is 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. So the correct answer for item number 1 is number 4. So sa lahat po na nakakuha ng correct answer, congratulations. At sa mga hindi naman po nakakuha ng tamang sagot, okay lang yan because we are here to learn. Yan. So let's proceed to item number 2. Item number 2, there are a total of 87,507 inmates in a certain station. Can they be placed in a cell groups of 9? 1, no, because 87,507 is divisible by 3. 2, no, because 87,507 is divisible by 5. Number 3, yes, because 87,507 is divisible by 3. And number 4, yes, because 87,507 is divisible by 9. What's your choice? Good evening, sir or Ma'am Wendy, and thank you for tagging your friends. So what's your answer to item number? Please key in the item number and the number of your choice. Again, there are a total of 87,507 inmates in a certain station. Can they be placed in cell groups of 9? Number 1, no, because 87,507 is divisible by 3. No, number 2, no, because 87,507 is divisible by 5. Number 3, yes, because 87,507 is divisible by 3. Number 4, yes, because 87,507 is divisible by 9. What's your answer? Ano po ang sagot natin sa ating item number 2? Please key in the number of the item and the number of your choice. Ayan, inaantay ko po ang inyong mga sagot. Huwag po matakot sumagot dahil dito okay lang po. Again, sinasabi ko na okay lang po na mali ang inyong sagot. Ang importante po ay natututo tayo sa ating pagkakamali. Ang sabi nga ni Coach Mac, pagligwak, ligwak yehey at move on kaagad to the next item. So wala pong sumasagot. Huwag po kayong mahiya. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Ayan. So, in answering item number 2, we have to remember the divisibility rules. This is the elementary rules in division. Magsimula po tayo sa item sa taas. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even or 0. So, hindi naman po ito ang tinatanong natin. Importante lang po na alam po natin ito, na alam po natin if the number is divisible by 2. So, ayan, a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even or 0. Punta tayo sa 3. At a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Kapag pinag-add mo pa ang digits dito and the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Example, the number 27, pag in-add mo ang 2 plus 7, this is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So alam mo na ang number is divisible by 3 and so on. Ayan. So a number 4, sa 4 naman, a number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Ayan. So say for example, 44, ayan. 4 plus 4, this is equal to 8, and 8 is divisible by 4. So the number 44 is divisible by 4. Ang 5 naman, the number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Alam natin yan, na kapag ang last number ay divisible ay 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. And so on. And we jump to the number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So, madidivide mo lamang ang isang number by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So, we try 87, 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 0 plus 7. So this is 15 and this is 12. So 15 plus 12, this is 27, and this 27 is divisible by 9, which is equal to 3. So the correct answer for item number 2 is choice number 4. Okay, so number 4 po ang ating correct answer sa item number 2. Ma'am Karen Farnaso, item number 2, my answer is 4. That is correct. Congratulations. Ma'am Natharia Rangires, congratulations din po dahil tama po ang inyong sagot. Sa mga hindi naman po, Ma'am Maricar Montes Tingrat, correct, that's correct. Ma'am Janeline Verdila, that's correct. Facebook user, hindi ko pa po nakikita ang inyong pangalan. Okay lang po, mali ang inyong sagot. Ang importante ay natututo tayo. Ayan. So, marami pong tumama sa ating item number 2. Ayan. Tandaan lamang po ang divisibility rules na nakikita sa inyong screen because after this live session, a PDF copy will be provided for you and the visual, the photos in the slides will also be, you can also find them on your PDF copy. So, let's proceed to item number 3. Item number 3. An item in a shopping mall was tagged at 25% discount. If the discounted price of the item was 160 pesos, what is the original price of the item? Number 1, 232.33. Number 2, 225.55. Number 3, 220.33. 213.33. What's your answer? Ano po ang ating sagot sa ating item number 3? Again, an item in a shopping mall was tagged with a 25% discount. If the discounted price of the item was 160 pesos, what is the original price of the item? Number 1, 232.33. 2, 225.55. Number 3, 220.33. Number 4, 213.33. What's your answer? Ayan, huwag pong mahiyang sumagot. Kahit na mali po ang inyong sagot, mag-key in lang po ng the number of the item and the number of your choice. What's your answer? Be active, interact with me. And kasi po, we will learn better if we are interacting during our study session. Yan, nag-aantay po ako ng sagot ng lahat or nagko-compute pa po. Nagko-compute pa po ba ang taong bayan? Ayan. So, in answering item number 3, we have to remember the Tekens triangle or the PRB triangle. Ito po ay isang tool in computing for percentage, the rates, and the bases. Ang nakikita po ninyo sa inyong screen ay ang PRB triangle or the Tekens triangle. Ang P po dito is the percentage. This is the percentage. The P here is your percentage. At ang R mo naman dito ay ang rate. Ang rate po, pag may nakita kayong percentage sign, may word na percentage or may symbol na percentage, that is automatically the rate. Hindi po siya percentage. Tandaan, pag may nakitang percentage sign or the word percentage, that means ito yung rate mo. At ang bigay mo naman is your base at ipakakita kayo ng dalawang numbers sa problems. Ang mas malaki po doon ay ang base at ang mas maliit po sa dalawang number ay yung percentage. Ang sabi ni Ma'am Maricar Montes Dingrat, 3, that is number 4. Ayan. Ma'am Janeline Verdida, also number 4. Ayan, tama nga po ba ang number 4 sa ating item number 3. So now, in computing for the percentage, dahil sa taas po ito ng triangle, ang matitira, cross out lamang po ang part na to at ang matitira ay ang R times B. Pag nasa baba ka, i-multiply dahil magkadikit silang dalawa, i-multiply lang ang rate at saka base. Ayan, nakikita po ninyo sa inyong mga screen, ina-underline ko. At kapag naghanap naman kayo ng rate, i-cross out nyo rin po ang R. Ang matitira will be your P over B. So, in computing for the rate, that is percentage divided by the base. And lastly, to find the base, you just simply divide also percentage over the rate. Ayan, napakadali. Pag nakikita na maalala ninyo ang Tekens triangle, you will be guided in computing for the percentage, the rates, and the bases. Now, hanapin natin sa problem kung ano ba ang ang mga given. We have here the rate which is 25%. Ayan, 25% po ang rate. Pero ang problema po sa 25%, we cannot directly use it. We have to convert it first into decimal form. So pag na-convert ka ng percentage into this decimal form, you simply move the percentage signs two places to the left, and that is 1 and 2, and that will be equal to 0.25. Ayan, so now pwede mo siyang gamitin. Ang sabi ni Ma'am Karen Farnaso, number 3, we will find out. Now, we have to understand that the percentage here is 160 because you are looking for the original price and you are given the discounted price. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung discounted price, mas malaki dito ang original price. Now, and we are looking for the base. So, we will use the formula for computing for the base, and that is B is equal to P over R. Yan. So, we substitute. That is equal to 160 over 0.75. Bakit po 0.75? Kasi 100% minus 25% is equal to 75% or 0.75. 0.75 po siya. Ibig sabihin po, itong 160 pesos na to is already subtracted by the 25% of the original price. Kaya ang natitira na lang is the 75% of the original price. So 160 and this is 75% of the original price. So 160 over 0.75, that will be equal to 213.33 or choice number 4, and the correct answer is choice number 4, which is equal to 213.33. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga tumama. Ma'am Judy Ann Lasso, Ma'am Jenelyn Verdida, Ma'am Maricar Dingrat. Congratulations. At sa mga hindi naman po tumama, maaalala po ninyo itong PRB or the Tekens Triangle at hindi na ninyo ito makakalimutan. And you will be an expert in using the Tekens Triangle kapag nasa encounter po ninyo ang mga problems on percentage rates and base sa inyong NAPOLCOM entrance examination. So ligwak, yehey, at move on kaagad. So let's proceed to our item number 4. Item number 4, solve for x in 5x minus 5 is equal to 55. 1, 14, 2, 12, 3, 8, number 4, 9. What's your answer? Sa ating item number 4. Again, solve for x in 5x minus 5 is equal to 55. 1, 14, 2, 12, 3, 8, or 4, 9. What's your answer? Please key in the item number and the number of your choice. Yan, parang nagko-compute pa ang taong bayan. Good evening, Sir Harold Ken Valmores Obispo. Ang sagot ni Sir Harold ay 2. Ano po ang tama po ka? So okay, ayan, I invite everybody to the answers. Ayan, Ma'am Judy Ann Lasso, ang sabi niya ay 2 rin. Ang sabi ni Sir RAS 2. Ma'am Jenelyn Verdida also 2. Ayan. Pag ganito po ang tanong, you have to understand also yung process in solving for an equation. Ayan. So ang gagawin po dito is isolate mo lamang po ang may variable na x in one side of the equation of the equation 5. Add 5 kasi po negative 5 po ito, negative 5 po ito. 2, you can directly transfer it to the other side by just adding 5 here. Pero para makita po ninyo ang rational kung bakit po may nagpa-plus 5 po sa kabila, nagpa-plus 5, because you add positive 5 to both sides of the equation to maintain the equality of the equation. So you can cancel this out and you will have here what will remain is 5x is equal to 60. And then, to totally isolate x, you have to divide both sides of the equation by 5. That is 5x over 5 is equal to 60 over 5. And then, you can cancel the 5 here. And 60 divided by 5, this is equal to 1. And 10 is to 1, 2. Or, that is x is equal to 12. So, indeed, the correct answer for item number 4 is number 2 or 12. Number 12. Number 12. Ayan. So, let's proceed to item number 5. Item number 5, congratulations nga po pala sa lahat ng tumama. And thank you, Ma'am Judy Anlaso, for giving out a detailed solution for problem number 4. And now, let's go to item number 5. What is the smallest number that is multiple of 7, 5, and 10? Is it 1, 35, 2, 140, 3, 280, or 4, 70? What is the smallest number that is a multiple of 7, 5, and 10? Is it 1, 35, 2, 140, 3, 280, or 4, 70? Please key in your answer in our comment box. Ayan. Ano nga po ba ang tamang sagot? Ayan, huwag mahiya. What is the smallest number that is a multiple of 7, 5, and 10? Ayan. So, inaantay ko po ang sagot ng taong bayan. Ayan, wala pang sumasagot. Pag binibigyan po kayo ng problem na ganito, you find a number that is a multiple of given numbers, ang gagawin po ninyo ay dahil smallest po. Ito ang sabi ni Sir Harold Ken Obispo, 4 with question mark, hindi sigurado. Ang sabi naman ni Ma'am Annalie Pretos Liagas, uploaded po ito sa YouTube, sir. Mahina kasi ang connection ngayon. Don't worry, ma'am, hindi ka nag-iisa. Mahina din po ang connection ni Coach Toto. Kaya kung nakikita po niyo, nagbi-blink-blink po ang aking screen. Ayan. Uploaded po ito sa YouTube. But I think only part of this review session will be uploaded sa YouTube because the full version of this discussion will be uploaded sa ating exclusive group, sa ating NAPOLCOM online review group. Ayan, ang sabi ni Ma'am Janeline Verdida, number 4. Ang sabi ni Sir Darrell Recafort is also number 4. Ayan, let's find out. Kapag binibigyan po kayo ng number na ganito, pag choice-based po ang inyong question, ay magsimula kayo sa pinakamaliit dahil ang hinahanap mo dito is the smallest number. Ayan. So, look at the choices kapag choice-based po ang question. So, 1, 35, alam mong X ito kasi hindi siya divisible by 10. Kasi kanina, the number is divisible by 10 lang kapag ang last number ng ating number is ending with a 0. Ayan, so X na kaagad. Punta tayo sa 70. Is this divisible by 7? Yes. Is this divisible by 5? Yes, kasi nga sabi kanina, the number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. Is this divisible by 10? Yes, kasi ang last number is divisible by 10. Kaya pasok siya sa lahat ng mga divisibility rules na diniscuss natin kanina. And so, the correct answer here is number 4, 70. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay number 70. Congratulations po sa lahat ng tumama ang sagot. Ayan, pinakita ni Sir Harold Ken Balmores Obispo ang detailed solution din. Ayan, so congratulations sa sumagot ng 4 sa item number 5. At sa mga hindi naman po sumagot, I don't think that may sumagot ng maling sagot. So alam na ng taong bayan kung paano sagutin ang item number 5. So let's proceed to item number 6. Find the GCF of 64 and 96. Is it 1, 40, 2, ating ang ating connection ang screen dahil medyo mahina din po ang connection ko sa ngayong gabi. Number 6, find the GCF of 64 and 96. Is it 1, 40, 2, 32, 3, 35, or 4, 20? What's your answer? And sabi ni Sir Harold Ken Obispo, that's number 2. At 32, how about the others? Inaantay ko po ang sagot ng taong bayan. Ayan, okay lang po kung hindi kayo sigurado sa inyong sagot. Ang importante ay minimum current Parnaso, it's also 2. Paano nga ba natin hahanapin ang GCF, the greatest common factor or greatest common divisor? Parehas lang po yan. Tandaan, pag nakikita kayo ng GCF or GCD, parehas lang po ang ibig sabihin yan. Kaya diretso po natin isolve ito. Pag maghahanap po kayo ng GCF, isa po sa mga ways is to list down the factors of both numbers. Unahin niyo po muna ang isang number, ang mga factors na hanapin niyo, and then ang factor ng the other number. That is one way of finding out the GCF or the GCD of the number. But I have a better way in finding out the GCF or the GCD. And that is, ayan, nakita na tuloy. And that is listing down the number. This is 64. And the other one is 96. Ayan. So, maghanap kayo ng number na that can divide both numbers. So, sabihin na natin 4. Sabihin na natin pwedeng 2. Ayan. 2 para hindi kayo malito. Ayan. So, 64 divided by 2, this is 32. And 96 divided by this is 48, I think. This is 48, I think. So, ayan. So, maghanap kayo ng number ulit. So, maghanap kayo 2. And then, you divide both numbers again by 2. And 32 divided by 2, that this is 16. Ayan. This is 24. Again, maghanap din kayo ng number na pwede ulit ang 2. This is 8. And this is 12. Again, you divide it by 2. This is again 4. This is 6. Ayan. So again, 2 ulit. Pwedeng 2 ulit. This is 2 and this is 3. Ayan. So nasa prime number na kayo sa baba. So pwede ninyong hanapin ang inyong GCF. Now, please understand na dali lang. Kapag ganito na po, you just divide the ladder on this part. Ang nasa part po na to ay GCF or GCD. Ayan, GCF po yan. Pero kapag in-include po ninyo ito, this one, kapag in-include, that is your LCM. So, dahil GCF ang hinahanap natin, we will be contented with this side. And this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is equal to 32. And the correct answer for item number 6 is indeed 32. Ayan, tama po yan. 2 po ang sabi ni Sir Roberto Casimero Calasic. 2 nga. Ayan po, correct. Malalaking numbers po ang binibigay sa problems natin. Ayan. So, importanteng marunong kayo ng ladder method at marunong din kayo ng listing of factors method. So, congratulations po sa lahat na Miko asks his sons to think of a number that is divisible by both 8 and 4. What is the smallest possible number that his sons can think of? Medyo very easy, but this is an actual NAPOLCOM test question. So 1, 2, 4, 8. What's your answer? Miko asked his sons to think of a number that is divisible by both 8 and 4. Sons can think of, is it 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8. Ayan. Ang sabi ni Sir Harold Ken Obispo, 1. To ask his sons the part that is divisible by both 8 and 4. Nag-underline na po ako para mas madali ninyong mag-gets ang hinahanap ng question natin. What is the smallest possible number that the science can think of? Ang sabi ni Ma'am Rodome, Ngali, Abraham, Turen. Ayan, medyo nagkalituhan po, medyo nagkalituhan. Kapag this divisible by both, it madidivide daw siya ng 8 at saka 4. Madidivide siya. Pag nadidivide siya, um, I mean, madidivide daw siya ng 8 at saka 4. Hindi nakaka-divide in both 8 by and 4. Hindi po, hindi po. So, 8, ano bang number dito? Ano bang sa mga numbers of choices ang pwedeng i-divide ng 8 tsaka 4? Ang 1 ba? 1 cannot be divided by 8 and cannot be divided by 4. Kaya X na ang choice number 1. 2, same dahil sa baba ito sa 8 tsaka 4. 3, 4, X din dahil pwede itong i-divide by 4 but cannot be divided by 8. Let's go to number 4. 8 can be divided by both 8 and 4. So the correct answer is number 4. Number 4 po or number 7. Medyo nagkalituhan lang po tayo sa terminology. Nagkalituhan lang po tayo. Pero kung nagagal ko minsan isa sa mga tekniko, ay madali ko siyang maintindihan. Ma'am Ara May Poliana Sintos, that's the correct answer. 4, that is 8. Ayan po. Huwag po magpapalito sa mga words na nasa question. Intindihin po mabuti para iwasan po natin na magkamali, lalo na on the actual exam. Ayan, so let's proceed to item number 8. Item number 8. If 3 is equal to 1 minus 2a, what is the value of negative 2a plus 1? Is it 1, 0, 2, 3, 3, 9, 4, negative 3? What's your answer for item number 8? Again, item number 8. If 3 is equal to 1 minus 2a, what is the value of negative 2a plus 1? Is it 1, 0, 2, 3, 3, 9, or number 4, negative 3? What's your answer? Ayan, pakitype in po ng inyong answer sa ating comment box. Ayan, at sa mga Facebook user po, nakikita ko dito sa StreamYard, you can authorize StreamYard para po makita po natin ang inyong mga pangalan sa ating online review dito po sa Gurong Pinoy. Meron po tayong pamahiin na kapag nakikita at nababanggit ng mga coach Ayan, so nakabalik po tayo. Pasensya na po at talagang ang hina po ng connection. First time po na nangyari sa akin to because when I was working abroad talagang hindi po naranasan ang na-disconnect. At pasensya rin po kayo sa background natin, medyo naririnig po yung mga aso natin dito. Talagang kakaiba po o kakaiba. Pero let's proceed with item number 10. Item number 10. The sum of two numbers is 338. The larger number is 58 more than the smaller number. What is the smaller number? 1, 120. B, 2, 130. C, 140. Or 3, 140. Or 4, 160. What's your answer? Ayan po. What's your answer? Ayan, while you're keying in your answer, kukuha lang po si Coach Toto ng tubig para po iwasan po ating pagkakas. Yan. So again, number 10, the sum of two numbers is 338. The larger number is 58 more than the smaller number. What is the smaller number? 1, 120, 2, 130, 3, 140, or number 4, 160. Please key in your answer in our comment box. Ayan. So ano po ang inyong mga sagot? Pakikiin lamang po ng inyong mga answer sa ating comment box para po malaman po natin kung ano ba ang pulso ng taong bayan at nang sa ganun ay malaman din po natin ang tamang sagot. Ayan. So wala po bang i-interact sa atin? Ayan. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ayan. So, ayan, okay na po. Okay na, medyo okay na ang connection natin. So, in solving this item, we will let x be the smaller number. At dahil sabi nga sa question natin, the larger number, ayan, ang sabi sa question natin, the larger number is 58 more than the smaller number. So, this is x plus 58 will be the bigger number. Dahil ang sum po ng dalawang numbers is 338, we will just add the two numbers. So, we let x plus 58 is equal to 338. And then we will combine like terms. This will be equal to x plus 58 is equal to 338. So we will combine both this x. This will be equal to 2x plus 58 is equal to 338. And then to totally isolate the term with the variable, we add negative 8 to both sides of the equation. This will be equal to 2x plus 58 minus 58 is equal to 338 minus 58. So we can cancel this. And what we will have is equal to 2x is equal to, nakikita, 2x is equal to 280. And then to totally isolate x, we will divide both sides of the equation by 2. So we will have 2x over 2 is equal to 280 over 2. So we can cancel 2 from here and we will have x is equal to 140. We're looking for x, which is the smaller number. So we have here x is equal to 140. But we will not jump into conclusion first na tamang ating sagot. We will check if indeed this is the smaller of the two numbers. So we will have here we will check for the value of x plus 58. So that's 140 plus 58. This is equal to 198. So indeed, the smaller number is 140. If you want to check if your solution, if your answer is correct, dahil ang sabi dito, the sum of the two numbers is 338, we will just add 140 and 198. So 198, 140 plus 98 is indeed 338, and the smaller of the two numbers is 140. So the correct answer for item number 10 is number 3, 140. Ayan. So please interact with me po kahit na ayan, tama po yan ma'am Liza May Sardinola. Congratulations dahil tama po ang inyong sagot. At sa mga hindi naman po sigurado sa inyong mga sagot, okay lang Let's proceed to item number 11. Item number 11, 62 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 13 is equal to blank. Is it 1, 72, 2, 41, at 3, 32, or 4, 27? What's your answer? Ito po ang sagot natin. Again, number 11, 62 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 13 is equal to blank. 1, 72, 2, 41, 3, 32, or 4, 27. What's your answer? Ito po ang ating sagot sa ating item number 11. Paki-comment po ng inyong sagot sa ating comment box at nang malaman natin ang pulso ng taong bayan, kung marunong bang sumagot ang taong bayan sa series of mathematical operations na to. Ayan. So in solving this problem, we have to remember the order of operations, and we call it a PEMDAS. Ayan, PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis. So ibig sabihin, uunahin po natin ang parenthesis in mga nakapaloob sa parenthesis na operation. And then the next that we will do is to solve for the exponent of the letter E. And then M and division are, you perform them together para mauuna po kung ano pong nasa left. And the same, similarly, sa addition and subtraction din po, sabay din yun po sila. Ang gagawin niyo po, uunahin po muna yung nasa left. So, we perform PEMDAS on item number 11. So, 62 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 13. So, dahil wala po siyang parenthesis, wala rin siyang exponent, we proceed with multiplication or division. And to perform division, we divide 6 divided by 2. What we'll have is 62 minus 3 plus 13. So, now we can proceed with addition and subtraction. Uunahin po muna natin. 62 minus 3 is 59 plus 13. This is equal to 72. So the correct answer for item number 11 is 72. Ayan. So this is choice number 1. We proceed with item number 12. Item number 12. Negative quantity 13 minus 90 close quantity minus 10 minus 24 is equal to blank. 1, negative 111, 2, 43, 3, 82, 4, 53. What's your answer? Again, item number 12. Negative quantity 13 minus 90 close quantity minus 10 minus 24 is equal to blank. 1, negative 111, 2, 43, 3, 82, 4, 53. What's your answer? Wala na pong sumasagot. Again, I invite everyone to please answer. Kahit na po mali ang yung sagot, okay lang po. Ang sabi ni Ma'am Eliza May Sardinola is 1. Ayan. Tandaan po natin, again, kapag binibigyan po tayo ng series of operations, una ay isipin natin ang PEMDAS or GEMDAS, pareho lang. BOMDAS, pareho lang po yan. And I'm using PEMDAS. PEMDAS pa rin. Loyal ako sa PEMDAS. So, we perform first the one inside the parenthesis. So 13 minus 90, negative quantity 13 minus 90, close quantity minus 10 minus 24, and this will be equal to 13 minus 90 is equal to negative 77. And then negative 10 minus 10 minus 24, and negative times negative 77 is equal to positive 77. Then we subtract negative 10 minus 24. This is equal to 43. So the correct answer for choice number 2, which is 43. Ayan. So, okay lang po na ligwak. Ang importante, natututo po tayo. Basta tandaan, pag binibigyan po tayo ng series of operations, ay isipin natin ang GEMDAS, PEMDAS, BOMDAS, basta pare-pareho lang po yan. So, let's proceed to item number 13. Item number 13, if a patrol car travels at 60 km per hour, what is the distance it travels in 30 minutes? Number 1, 2 kilometers, 2, 30 kilometers, 3, 120 kilometers, or 4, 1,800 kilometers. Again, item number 13, if a patrol car travels at 60 km per hour, what is the distance it travels in 30 minutes? 1, 2 kilometers, 2, 30 kilometers, 3, 120 kilometers, or 4, 1,800 kilometers. Sabi ni Ma'am Eliza May Sardinola, number 12, answer is 2. Ayan. Mhm. Sa item number 13 naman po, ang tinatanong natin, what's your answer? Sa ating item number 13. Ayan. So tandaan po natin in answering item number 13, ang relationship between distance, speed, and time. Similar po ito sa ating Tekken's triangle. Ang distance po ay nasa taas ng triangle and below distance is speed and time. Pag hinahanap time, if you are looking for the speed, that is distance divided by time. And if you're looking for time, distance divided by the speed. So now we try to analyze what is the given. Ang given po sa atin ang speed because of the unit kilometer per hour. This is the speed. And then we have here 30 minutes. That is the time. So we are looking here for, well, what we are looking for is the distance. So the formula of distance is d is equal to speed times time. So we can directly substitute the values in the formula. And now d is equal to 60 kilometer per hour and multiplied by 30 minutes. But here, dahil nasa minutes siya, kailangan i-convert muna natin siya into hour. So you multiply it by 1 hour over 60 minutes para makancel po ninyo ang minutes dito. Ngayon, pag nag-multiply po kayo ng marami, one of the techniques that I'm using always to make my life easier in multiplication or division, nagka-cancel po muna ako bago ako mag-proceed. So here, I can cancel 60 dahil 60 ito. This will be equal to 1. So what is left is 30. Magka-cancel mo rin ito, R, and this is R. So ang matitira sa iyo is 30 and the unit kilometer. So D is equal to 30 kilometers. So the correct answer po sa ating item number 13 is number 2, 30 kilometers. So we proceed with item number 14. Item number 14. Ito ulit. A police car travels 120 miles at a speed of 40 miles per hour and makes a return trip at a speed of 60 miles per hour. What is its average speed in miles per hour? 1, 42, 2, 44, 3, 46, 4, 48. What's your answer? Again, item number 14. A police car travels 120 miles at a speed of 40 miles per hour and makes a return trip at a speed of 60 miles per hour. What is its average speed in miles per hour? Is it 1, 42, 2, 44, 3, 46, or 4, 48? What's your answer? Tama po yan, Ma'am Eliza. Number 2 nga po ang sagot natin kanina sa item number 13. Now, ating item number 14, we can also apply the speed, time, and distance triangle. So, ang hinahanap natin, ang problema, dalawa po ang marami po siyang given. So, ano po pang gagawin natin? Dahil meron siyang going to and return trip. Hi, Ma'am Nadine Manali. Good evening po. Ang one of my favorite students sa licensure examination for professional teachers review. Ayan. Good evening po sa inyo at kamusta din po. Ayan. So, in doing such, we analyze the given and we will find out that the 120 miles, this is distance because of the unit miles. Then we have here the speed, which is mile per hour. Ayan. Miles per hour. So, ang hinahanap natin dito ay time kasi po, para malaman natin ang average speed, you just enter the speed and the time traveled ng return at going trips divided by the total number of hours consumed while performing going to and the return trip. So here, this is going to the time used in traveling 120 miles. You divide distance over time, so that is 120 miles over 140 miles per hour. We can cancel the miles. What will be left is hour. Ayan, so 120 over 40 is equal to 3 hours. Now, we compute the time spent for the return trip. That then by using the same formula for time, which is equal to distance divided by the speed. So 120 miles over 60 miles per hour, we can cancel miles and we divide 120 by 60. This is equal to 2 hours. And now we can compute the average. The average speed is equal to 3 times for the speed, 3 hours. This is 3 hours and this is the speed, miles per hour. And the return trip, 2 hours and then 60 miles per hour over the total number of hours spent for the entire trip. So this is equal to 3 times 140 is 120 and 2 times 60 is also 120. This is equal to 240 over 5. And if you compute for that, that is the average. The average speed is 48 miles per hour. Ayan. So the correct answer for item number 14 is choice number 4. Ayan. We proceed with item number 15. Item number 15. If R represents the degree measurement of an acute angle, which of the following is true? 1. R is equal to 90. 2. R is greater than 45. 3. R is greater than 0 but less than 45. Or 4. R is less than 0, greater than 0 but less than 90. What's your answer? Item number 15, if R represents the degree measurement of an acute angle, which of the following is true? 1. R is equal to 90. 2. R is greater than 45. 3. R is greater than 0 but less than 45. Or 4. R is greater than 0 but less than 90. What's your answer? Wala pong sumasagot. And I know you're listening right there. So I will compute this. I will show the solution for this one. So we have to understand that there are kind of angles according to their measurement. Meron po tayong different types of angles according to their measures. Unang-una, we have an acute angle which is less than 90 degrees. Less than siya ng 90 degrees. We also have the right angle which is exactly 90 degrees. Pag greater than 90 or less than 90, it cannot be called a right angle. Ang obtuse angle naman is greater than 90%, 90 degrees, but less than 180. Ito po siya, 180 po siya. Greater than 90, less than 180. And then we have the straight angle, which is equal to 180 degrees. We also have the reflex angle, greater than 180 degrees. And the full rotation angle, or the full angle, which is 360 degrees. Ayan. So, by knowing the types of angles and their definition, we will know that the correct answer for item number 15 is 4 because an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Ayan. But greater than 0. Of course, kailangan greater than 0 siya. So, the correct answer for item number 15 is choice number 4. We proceed to item number 16. Item number 16. If 30% of a number is 12.6, find the number. Is it 1, 38, 2, 42, 3, 45, 4, 40? What's your answer? Ano po ang ating sagot sa ating item number 16? Again, if 30% of a number is 12.6, find the number. 1, 38, 2, 42, 3, 45, or 4, 40. Ayan. So, wala pong sumasagot. We will proceed with the solution. Good evening po, Ma'am Jasya. How do you read it? Balto. Ayan, magandang gabi po. So, again, dapat natin tandaan itong Tekan. Sabi natin kanina, pag may percentage sign or automatically the rate. So 30 here, 30% here is the rate. But we cannot use it directly. We convert it to decimal form. And then 12.6 is just the percentage because this is lower than what we're looking for. Alam natin yan kasi 30% lang daw siya na number. Kung 130% siya na number, that is bigger than the number. But since it's just 30%, this is smaller than the number that we're looking for. So we are looking for the base, the bigger of the two numbers. And in computing for the base, by using the Tekan's triangle, this is the formula is just P over R. So we substitute the value. We substitute, that's 12.6 over 0.3. This is equal to 42. So the correct answer for item number 16 is choice number 2, which is 42. Ayan. So sana po naiintindihan ng lahat kung paano gumamit ng Tekkon's triangle sa pag-solve ng percentage, rates, and basis. So we proceed to item number 17. Item number 17. Which of this is not a quadrilateral? Number 1, triangle. 2, trapezoid. 3, which of this is not a quadrilateral? Triangle, trapezoid, rhombus, or square? It's very easy question. Very easy. Kasi po, ang shape or a polygon which has 4 sides or 4 edges, meron siyang 4 corners or the vertices and 4 interior angles. At ang square, rectangle, rhombus, the kite, the parallelogram, the trapezoid or the trapezium are quadrilaterals. Ayan. Ito po ang triangle naman, lahat po ito, so square, rhombus, and trapezoid, egos na po ito because this polygons have 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 interior angles. At ang triangle naman po is a polygon with 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. So the correct answer, pag nakikita po kayo ng may knot, huwag po kayong mapapabudol, magpapabulag. Kaya bilugan po inyo kaagad ang may question na may knot in the stem of the question para hindi kayo mabudol. So ang hinahanap natin dito is not a quadrilateral. So the correct answer for item number 17 is number 1, which is the triangle. Because a triangle is not a quadrilateral. And, sa Korean po, hindi ko po nababasa ang pangalan ninyo, pero hindi po ako marunong magbasa ng Hangul. Pero the correct answer po is number 1, triangle po. Kasi pala, triangle, alam na natin na may 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 interior angles. So we proceed to item number 18. Item number 18, a side of an equilateral triangle measures 2x minus 1. If the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 15, what is the value of x? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Again, item number 18. A side of an equilateral triangle measures 2x minus 1. If the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 15, what is the value of x? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. What's your answer? Ano pa ang ating sagot? May magpa-participate pa po ba or itutuloy ko na ang pag-solve? Ayan. Ituloy ko na po. Ang kailangan natin malaman ang characteristics ng equilateral triangle. Ang equilateral triangle is a triangle with 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Yan po ang tinatawag na equilateral triangle. So, ang hinahanap natin dito ay ang perimeter ng equilateral triangle. At alam natin, pag sinabing perimeter, this is the outermost line enclosing a polygon. So, ibig sabihin po nito, we are looking for the sum of these 3 sides. The sum of these 3 sides. So, if the sides of the equilateral triangle is A, this is also A. This is equal to A plus A plus A. This is equal to 3A. So this is the formula for computing the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. But we are given here the side which is 2x minus A. So let A is equal to 2x minus 1. And let 3, dahil 3A po ito, 3A po ito. So 3 times 2x minus 1 kapag 3A. Ayan. Perimeter ng triangle is 15, so we substitute that. 15 is 2x minus 1, and then we distribute 3 to the inside. So we have here 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Now, we isolate the term with the variable, so we add positive 3 to both sides of the equation so that we can cancel 3 here. So what will be left is 15 plus 3 is equal to 6x. And if you combine 15 plus 3, that's 18 is equal to 6x. And if you want to totally isolate x, we divide both sides of the equation by 6 so that we can cancel this 6, we can cancel this 1, and x will be equal to 3. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So the correct answer for item number 18 is choice number 2. Number 2 po, Sir Mark Anthony Petilla Sion or Sion. Okay lang po na nalingwa, pero ang importante natututo po tayo. Natututo po. The correct answer po for item number 18 is 2, which is 3. Ayan. Thank you for participating, Sir Mark Anthony Petilla Sion. Ayan. So we proceed to item number 19. Item number 19. Ayan. Perimeter po ulit tayo. Determine the perimeter of a square with an area of 121 centimeters squared. Is it 1, 32, 2, 44, 3, 48, or 4, 60? What's your answer? Item number 19. Determine the perimeter of a square with an area of 121 centimeters square centimeter. 1, 32, 44, 3, 48, or 4, 60. What's your answer? Now, we are given here an area, but we are looking for the perimeter. Kailangan mag-underline po kayo at mag-encircle para po hindi kayo malito sa hinahanap ng question. Ang hinahanap natin dito ay perimeter, but we are given the area of 121 square centimeters. So, we should know the formulas for the area and also the formula for the perimeter of a square. So, here we have here the a square. Meron po tayong square. And if the side of the square is S, the perimeter is equal to 4S kasi the sum of the outermost lines is S. Dahil square ito, equal ang mga sides nito. So, this is S. Also, this is S. This is S. So, you have S plus S plus S plus S. This is equal to 4S. Ayan. Ang area naman, formula ng area is S squared dahil so area is equal to S times S. Area is equal to S squared. Next, so we use now the dahil binigyan tayo ng ang area na one is equal to 11. 11 is equal to S. Ayan. Ayan, check ulit natin. Baka na-disconnect na naman tayo. Ayan, okay lang. Okay pala, okay lang. Ayan. So, now we already know the value of S. We already know the value of S. We can now solve for the perimeter of the square. So, using the formula for the perimeter of the square, we simply substitute the value of S. So that's 4 times 11. And our perimeter here is 44. And that is choice number 2. Ayan. Ma'am Herlene Cadiente, good evening po sa inyo. And thank you for tagging your friends. You can love, like, and share our video para po mas marami po ang maabot at matulungan ng ating online review para sa NAPOLCOM entrance examination. So we proceed to item number 20. Item number 20, the length of a rectangular field is 6 meters longer than its width. If the perimeter of the rectangular field is 44 meters, identify how wide the rectangular field is. Is it 1, 4 meters, 2, 6 meters, 3, 8 meters, or 4, 12 meters? Ayan, kunyari wala kayong nakikita. Wala kayong nakikita sa inyong mga screens. Ayan. Number 20, the length of a rectangular field is 6 meters longer than its width. If the perimeter of the rectangular field is 44 meters, Identify how wide the rectangular field is. Is it 1, 4 meters, 2, 6 meters, 3, 8 meters, 4, 12 meters? What's your answer? Ayan. So kunyari wala kang kikita, the formula for solving the perimeter of a rectangle is different from the formula of the perimeter of a square. Dahil dito, magkaiba po ang size, ang length ng ating width, at saka length. Okay, so the formula for finding out the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2L plus 2W. Okay, so meron po tayong W dito, isang W din dito, isang L dito, may isang L din dito. And then, at tandaan natin, the perimeter is the sum of the outermost line enclosing a polygon. So we have here W plus W plus L plus L. So this will be equal to 2L plus 2W. Ang sabi ni Sir Mark Anthony Petiliacion, that is 2. 2 daw po ang tamang sagot. Parang hindi niyo nakikita ang nasa screen. Okay, so we substitute now. Dahil hindi exactly binigay ang value ng ating length tsaka width, we will solve for it. Let WB is equal to X kasi dito, kapag naghahanap po kayo ng solution in problems like this, you first represent X sa variable po na konti ang minention sa kanya. So dito ang sabi niya, the length of the rectangular field is 6 meters longer than its width. So we will let the width be X para po kapag naghanap tayo ng L, we can simply satisfy the conditions, given conditions in the question. So dahil longer siya ng 6 meters ang length, so we represent it by X plus 6. Now, dahil given po ang perimeter natin, we can use now the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. So that is P is equal to 2L plus 2W. And we substitute the values. 44 is equal to 2 because this is the L, X plus 6, and 2 times X. Ayan. So we distribute the 2. We have here 44 is equal to 2X. 2 times 6 is 12. Excuse me. Plus 2X. And then we combine like terms. Excuse me. 44 is equal to 4X. 2 plus 2 is 4X plus 12. And then to totally isolate the term with the variable, we add both sides of the equation by negative 12 so that we can cancel this out. And 44 minus 12 is 32 is equal to 4X. And to totally isolate X, we divide both sides of the equation by 4. That's 32 over 4 is equal to 4X over 4. So that 4 here will be cancelled. And 32 over 4 is equal to 8. Ayan, 8 po. Kung gusto niyo po i-compute yan, i-check if your solution is correct. If your solution is correct, pwede po kayong dahil 8 po ang X natin, dahil 8 ang X, alam mo natin ang let W is equal to 8. Ang alam natin is 8 plus 6. Excuse me. This is equal to 14. So P is equal to 2L plus 2W. 2 times 14 plus 2 times 8. This is equal to 28 plus 16. And if you will get the sum, this is 44. So the correct answer for item number 20 is number 3. Excuse me po. Iinom lang po ng tubig. Ayan, sorry po. Sorry po, kumuha lang po ng tubig. Medyo kumakate ang lalamunan. So let's proceed to item number 21. Item number 21. During a team building, Troop C got a score of 28 points in the first round and 30.2 points in the second round. However, due to a violation during the third round, the team was deducted 23.6 points. What is Troop C's final score? 1. Negative 25.8, 2. 34.6, 3. 81.8, number 4. 21.4. What's your answer? Again, item number 21. During team building, Troop C got a score of 28 points in the first round and 30.2 points in the second round. However, due to a violation during the third round, the team was deducted 23.6 points. What is Troop C's final score? 1. Negative 25.8, 2. 34.6, 3. 81.8, or 4. 21.4. What's your answer? Napakadali po nito. Medyo mahaba lang ang tanong, pero napakadali po if you're going to analyze the question. Ayan. Ang sabi ni Sir Mark Anthony Petilla, John, that's 2. Ayan. And indeed, that's the correct answer because the solution for this one, and the process in solving this one is simply adding all the values. So we add the score, the points for the first round, which is 28, and the second round, which is 30.2, and the third round, which is negative 23.6, and we will get 34.6 points in total. And the correct answer for this item is item number 2. Congratulations, Sir Mark Anthony Sean. At sa mga silent viewers natin dyan, sa mga silent students natin dyan, just solve on your own. Kung nahihiya kayong mapakita ng inyong sagot, you just check it on your own. Pero kapag mali po kayo, you can review the video presentation, the full video of the presentation, and also the PDF copies, a copy which will be provided for you after this session. We proceed to item number 22. Item number 22. If 3 men can lift 150 kilogram logs, assuming that each man has the same lifting capacity, how many kilograms can 7 men lift? Ayan. 1, 250, 2, 450, 3, 300, or 4, 350. What's your answer? If 3 men can lift 150 kilogram logs, assuming that each man has the same lifting capacity, how many kilograms can 7 men lift? Is 1, 250, 2, 450, 3, 300, or 4, 350. What's your answer? Ang sabi ni Sir Mark Anthony Sean, 22.4. Ayan. So, napakadali po nito. Just analysis lang po ito. Analysis dahil 3 men can lift 150 kilogram logs at ang kanilang lifting capacity ay the same. We just simply divide 150 by 3. So, each man can lift 50 kilograms. So, each man can lift 50 kilograms. Ngayon, ito per person na ito, per person na ito, that's the lifting capacity of each person. Dahil hinahanap mo ang total kilograms that can be lifted by 7 men. So, i-multiply lamang ang 7 times 50 or 50 times 7. This is equal to 350. And indeed, the correct answer for item number 22 is number 4, 350. Ayan. So, we proceed with item number 23. Item number 23, at 25% discount, Police Lieutenant Madeline paid 150.75 for a police duty bag. What was the original price of the bag? Is it 1, 201, 2, 113.06, 3, 37.69, 4, 150.75. Ayan, marami-rami pong questions sa NAPOLCOM entrance examination. Ang questions of percentage, rates, and base. Kaya po, madami rin po ang ating binibigay na example. And nakikita po ninyo, ang ginagaya po natin dito ay previous NAPOLCOM entrance examination items. Para po, masanay po kayo sa sumagot ng mga tanong sa NAPOLCOM entrance examination. Again, number 23. At 25%, Police Lieutenant Madeline paid 150.75 for a police duty bag. What was the original price of the bag? Is it 1, 201, 2, 113.06, 3, 37.69, or 4, 150.75? Ayan, ang sabi ni Sir Mark Anthony, that's 1. How about the others po na nanonood, nakikinood sa atin? Okay, in solving this again, second triangle po ulit. Napakadali po. And then, analyze what are the given values. And 25%, alam natin, dahil sabi ko niya, pag may percentage sign, that's automatically the rate. So, R is equal to 25% or 0.21. Sir Windel Balansag Dinolan, good evening po sa inyo. And thank you for participating and engaging and interacting with me. Ayan. So, dahil discounted price po ito, automatic po, mas mababa po ito sa numbers sa number ng base. So, this is your P. Ayan. So, we are looking for the base, and just like in the second triangle, pag naghahanap po tayo ng base, that's percentage over the rate. And we divide 150.75 over 0.75. Bakit 75 po ito at hindi 25? Dahil alam natin na ang original price is 100%. Ngayon, binawasan daw siya ng 25. So, 100% minus 25%, this is equal to 75%. So, ang 150.75 dito is only the 75% of the original price. So, we divide 150.75 but by its percentage of the original price. And we have here the original price or the base is equal to 201. Ayan. May other way pa po in how to compute the discount and the rate and the selling price. Pero mas madali po pag gumamit na lang ng Tekos triangle. Automatic po makukuha po ninyo ang tamang sagot. So the correct answer for item number 23 is indeed number 1. Ayan. Tama po ang inyong mga sagot. Sir Mark Anthony Petilias yon and Sir Windel Balansag Dinolan. We proceed to item number 24. Item number 24. How many meters of fencing are needed to enclose an 84-meter by 48-meter rectangular garden? Is it 1, 264, 2, 132 meters, 3, 244 meters, or 4, 4,032 meters? Excuse me again. Number 24. How many meters of fencing are needed to enclose an 84-meter by 48-meter rectangular garden? Is it 1, 264 meters, 2, 132 meters, 3, 244 meters, or 4, 4,032 meters? What's your answer po sa ating item number 24? Item number 24, alam natin na ang fence is the outermost line enclosing a lot. So, outermost line. So, we are looking for the perimeter here. Ayan, the perimeter of a rectangle. So again, perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. We simply substitute the value of the length and the width here. We can compute for the perimeter or the length of the fencing needed. So we substitute 2 times 84 plus 2 times 48. That's 168 plus 96. And you will get perimeter or the length of the fencing materials needed is equal to 264 meters or choice number 1. Ayan, tama po yan, Sir Mark Anthony Petilla Sean. That's number 1 ang tamang sagot sa ating item number 24. So we proceed to our last number for tonight's session. Item number 25. Oops. Ayan. Bakit ganito? Ayan. Kunyari hindi nyo nakikita. A basketball court is 40 feet by 20 feet. What is the area of the court in square meters? Is it 1, 60 square feet, 2, 80 square feet, 3, 800 square feet, or 4, 120 square feet? Ayan. Again, it's hoping for the area of a rectangle. Sabi ko kanina, explain ko na, you just simply multiply the length times the width. So, we substitute the value of the length and the width. So, 40 times 20, that is equal to 800 square feet. Mali po ang nasa pagkakalagay ng ating marker. the correct answer here for the last item is 800 square feet po. 800 square feet po ang ating tamang sagot sa ating item number 25. Ayan. Item number 25, the correct answer is 800 square feet. Ayan. So we are through with our 25 items for tonight's session. So again, before we end, this is has been your coach Toto, and I would like to leave you with this quotation from this anonymous quote. No sacrifice, no victory. Alam po natin na ang lahat po ng mga bagay na hinahangad natin ay may kapalit na sakripisyo. Wala pong magiging victory kapag walang sacrifice. When I was reviewing for the licensure examination for professional teachers and I was still working abroad, I had to endure 9 months of 4 hours sleep para po pumasa at mag-top sa licensure examination. At gaya po ninyo, gaya ko po ay kailangan din po natin ng konting sakripisyo. I know most of you are working professionals din and gusto ninyo na kumuha ng NAPOLCOM entrance examination. Medyo magsakripisyo lamang po dahil andito po kami sa Gurong Pinoy na handang mag-guide at tumulong sa inyo in reaching for your dreams, and that is to enter the National Police Commission. So again, this has been your coach Toto. I'm saying see you next time in your numerical ability session here in your NAPOLCOM online review, and dito lamang po sa number 1 online review authority sa licensure examination for professional teachers sa civil service examination, at ngayon dagdagan na natin ng National Police Commission entrance examination. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, and see you po next time. Thank you and good night.